Protoje is a contemporary reggae singer and songwriter from Jamaica. He was born on June 14, 1981, St. Elizabeth Parish, Jamaica. He has one daughter with his wife Lindsay. On 13 April 2020, Protoje announced a new label deal with RCA Records. The deal allowed him a certain level of creative control and included artists Laila Ike and Shivana, who he had been mentoring under his own Indignation label. On 27 March 2020, Protoje joined Chronixx on a remix of Alicia Keys' song Underdog. His father is a former Calypso king from his island nation of Saint Vincent and the Grenadines. His mother is Jamaican singer Lorna Bennett, best known for her 1972 rendition of Breakfast in Bed. He gained international fame for his hit single Kingston Be Wise, which became the most viewed YouTube song among internet users in Jamaica. His 2018 album, A Matter of Time, received a Grammy Award nomination in the Best Reggae Album category. He gained notoriety after the release of his mixtape Lyrical Overdose Volume 1 in 2005. In December 2014, Protoje was included on BBC Radio on Extra's Hot for 2015 list. Protoje first gained notice for his 2005 mixtape Lyrical Overdose Volume 1, featuring mostly hip-hop influenced songs. With a guest appearance by BG Signal, however, his future career was labeled as a reggae and dancehall artist. In 2011, he released another single off the album entitled Rasta Love featuring K.Y. Money Marley. In 2010, Protoje began working with Don Corleon Records, run by his cousin and popular Jamaican producer Don Corleon. On 14 June 2016, Protoje released Side B of his fourth studio album royalty free as a free download to the public on his website. His second album, The 8-Year Affair, was released 12 February 2013. Who Dem a Program was the first single released from the album in January 2012 with This Is Not a Marijuana song following mid-year. His third album, Ancient Future, was initially set for release in September 2014 but was put back until March 2015.